So this is my tapping exercise. It helps me with stress and feeling overwhelmed, and it also helps me replace negative thoughts with positive thoughts. So basically, you start off just tapping your fingers together, and you can tell yourself, I can manage this. Self-employment is doable. I am self-employed as well. Okay, and then you basically start tapping on the top of your head. And you can repeat any type of positive mantra you'd like. I deserve success. I deserve love and understanding. And then next you just start tapping above your eyebrow, and make sure you're getting also the third eye in the center. That third eye helps with reducing anxiety and helps improve creativity. Next I go to the temples. There's kind of like a soft spot. You want to make sure you're hitting that area. You don't want to be hurting yourself, but and then the cheekbones, just like slightly under the cheekbones where the sinuses are. Above the lip. Chin. And then here, I'm hitting like right below the collarbone. There's a soft spot here. And then I go like right on the edge of the bottom of your rib cage. And then you want to go to the sides of your ribs, like kind of in between, like where your waist is. And that's it.